Hello everyone. A lot of people have been asking me about getting these head units for the 2006 Honda CRV. Well, I already have one installed in my 2004 Honda CRV, but this year, this is April 2023, I bought the same type of ones from the same store, except this is coming with a newer version of Android, and it fits in, and it's quite well suited for installation in here. So this is proud of the dashboard, and it is looking quite really good. So these marks here, these are from the previous guy who changed out the OEM headset and replaced it with a, I don't know, Pioneer unit. So this isn't for me installing this. All we had to do is undo two screws, one here, gently pry out the old unit and swap over, put this in, and you can refer to my old video on how I installed it on the other car. But in the 2006, it's exactly the same installation method, all plug and play. There's no splicing of wires or anything that is needed. Even the steering wheel control unit, it is all working and integrated into the head unit, and you can also change what the buttons do, which is pretty neat. We use this icon here to connect to our device. This is all set up for auto connection with my wife's phone, but this is automatically swap over. You'd end up with Google Maps. You can do split screens, Google Maps, and say ABC radio, or as my wife likes to put on, is Spotify. So she's got Spotify in the maps, all voice controlled, which is really awesome. The screens are quite easy to use, so we've got a lot of settings that we have up here at the moment. You've got your radio, your music, your actual navigation, or you can do Android Auto or iPlay using this icon connecting to your phone. Also Bluetooth to your phone. You've got radios. There's an awful lot of settings on here as well for connecting to your local Wi-Fi network. Under general settings, auto nav on, which goes straight into Google Maps, but we've turned that off because we've got auto connection into Android Auto, and that works really well. This can come with microphone, and it also comes with cameras. You can buy additional modifications for it, such as the wheel tire pressure sensors, and there's the OBD link to your actual car, and a couple of other settings as well. But a lot of that is in the old version, and again, you can look at my old my other video on how to install it. But basically just showing you that this is a beautiful fit into here. Looks really well in the 2006 Honda CRV. Excuse the mess with all the receipts, but it does look good. I fitted this in. We bought the top version, so this has got, I think, 156 gigabytes of RAM. It's got the best version of Android Auto on it, and it actually works really fast, and all these buttons and everything are quite quick and run quite well. And yeah, I've Android version 13, and all the buttons and everything work really well on it. So we love it. We've got these now in almost all of our Honda CRVs and run them quite well. Any questions, drop a comment in the link below, or in the comments below, and happy driving and enjoy your CRVs.